Hey squad, it's Nikki, and today we're going to talk about overcoming your fear on YouTube as an entrepreneur. Stay tuned. I have a question for you. Are you holding yourself back from starting a YouTube channel because of fear? Fear of judgment, fear of failure, or maybe fear that no one will watch? Trust me, I get it, okay? If anybody knows, I get it. But today I'm going to help you break through those fears and start showing up confidently on YouTube as an entrepreneur, okay? Let's get into it. Before we dive into overcoming fear, let's talk about why YouTube is so powerful for entrepreneurs. It's not just about making videos. It's about building your brand, growing your business, and making money while you sleep. Imagine having a piece of content working for you 24/7, bringing in clients, bringing in leads, and bringing in income, all while you focus on other things. Let's talk about 4 of the most common fears and how to overcome them. Fear number 1, I'm not good on camera. So you guys, I don't like taking pictures because I feel that I am not photogenic. And even right now, I actually feel more comfortable talking to the camera. Granted, I know that I'm talking, I have an audience that is watching my videos, but I am by myself right now. So I am actually, it's not that bad when you're talking to the camera and there's nobody behind the camera. It's just you and the camera, right? Listen, nobody starts off perfect, and you have to remember that. Go watch some of the biggest YouTubers' first video and then watch how you cringe. I still cringe on my first video, and I did not delete my first video. I left it up because later on this year, when I go back and watch it, I'm gonna be like, all right, Nick, look at you. Look how far you came. So I want you to do the same thing. You're just documenting your journey. Just think about that. Just think about documenting your journey as an entrepreneur. The key is just start. Just like Nike say, just do it. The key is just start. That's all you have to do is start. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel. Okay? What is the solution on how you can overcome not being comfortable on a camera? Just start off small. Record yourself talking on your camera like you're FaceTiming your friend, right? No pressure. Just continue to practice every day. Every day, continue to practice, okay? Fear number 2, what if nobody watches? So I get it. That's a big fear. And I'll be honest with you. If I can be vulnerable with you right now, my goal is just to be consistent. My goal is to show up. But if you look at my subscribers, as of today, I have 26 subscribers. And I don't want to say I only have 26 subscribers because there's somebody that may have 0 subscribers right now. So I'm thankful and I'm grateful for my 26 subscribers. So speaking of subscribers, y'all go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. But let's talk about it. What if no one watches? Reality check, every YouTuber starts off with 0 views. How many views? 0. Okay? They start off with 0 views and 0 subscribers. So guess what? The more you post, the more the algorithm picks you up. So you have to be consistent. So solution is focus on consistency. Your first videos are for learning, not going viral. So come up with a schedule. Okay. My advice would be come up with a schedule. First, you want to know and start off with, okay, what am I going to talk about? So me, I am a licensed life insurance agent. So I love talking about insurance, helping people. Now, if you want me to do a video on how I was able to determine exactly my niche in what I want to record, what topics I want to talk about, then I will comment below, and I'll actually do another video going over that as well. Okay. So fear number 3, what will people think? I don't give a let me stop. But no, I really don't care what people think. I don't care what people think. And you shouldn't either. You should not care what people think, okay? So let's be real. Most people are too busy with their own lives to judge you. And the few that do, they're not paying your bills. So why should you care? I asked me, Nick, what's the solution? I'm waiting on y'all. I'm waiting on y'all to ask me what's the solution. Okay, well, since you asked me, instead of worrying about your critics, think about one person who needs to hear your message. Speak to them. Remember, we are here to serve. As entrepreneurs, we are here to serve. We are here to provide a service to others. We are educators. We're here to educate. I'm here to educate. I'm here to educate and entertain and all that in between, okay? Okay, so number 4, I don't have the right equipment. You guys, I want somebody to say, Nick, what you recording on? I'm waiting on somebody to ask me. Okay, well, since you asked, I am recording on my iPhone 13. I still have to do research as far as with the settings as well. But again, just record yourself, just start and just research and find out exactly, okay, well, I need to switch my camera settings to this instead of having it on this. Like, educate yourself as you go, right? Focus on good lighting and good audio, and that's truly what matters. So I do have a ring light. And so I have a ring light here. I have my camera on my tripod, and yes, and then I don't even have a microphone, you guys. So comment below about the lighting. Comment below about the audio. It is now 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. So of course the sun has set. So that's why I'm using my ring light. Okay, so what are some action steps to get started today? We're going to get started today. I don't care if it's morning, afternoon, or evening. Nick said get started today. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So number 1, record a 30-second introduction video. So in this video, just introduce yourself and what you do. Okay, your main goal is to get comfortable recording on your camera. So that is all that we're going to do. Step number 2, pick one topic that you're passionate about. Keep it simple, like answering a common question within your niche. Okay, so just keep it simple. Step number 3, post your first video within 7 days. No, scratch that. Number 3, post your first video within 2 days. No, but if you need 7 days, I would say at least give yourself a week. So post your first video within 7 days. Don't wait that long, y'all. Don't wait that long. Just post it. But if you have to, listen, if you need 7 days, Nick gonna give y'all 7 days. Okay? Comment below what day y'all posted y'all video. Y'all, don't overthink this. I'm an overthinker. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Okay? Nike, just do it. So, if y'all been waiting on a sign to start YouTube, guess what? Hi, I'm Nikki and I am your sign. God sent me to tell you, let's do this thing. Okay, let's do this thing. This is it. He is using me to encourage you to start your channel. Not 7 days, but today. Okay, but I'm going to give y'all 7 days. I'm going to give y'all 7 days. Y'all remember, I'm a millennial, so y'all remember Tony Braxton's song, 7 whole days? Hey, y'all remember? Okay, let me stop. I'm 8. Okay, I'm telling my age. But no, the time is now, and let's get to it. Okay, let's get to it. Drop a comment below and let me know exactly what's been holding you back. Because I want to know what's been holding you back. Let me know what's been holding you back, and I'll personally reply back to you with encouragement. And don't forget to subscribe, you guys. You a newbie, I'm a newbie. Let's be newbies together. Let's work together. We're entrepreneurs right now. We have to work together now more than ever, okay? And I really want to support you, and I will support you. So subscribe to my channel, and then comment below if you just actually started your own channel, so that way I can encourage one another. That's what it's all about, encouraging one another. So coming up in my next videos, I have more tips on helping you grow as an entrepreneur, especially if you're just now starting out. Get to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because so let's make 2025 the year that you go all in. We still in January and a lot has happened. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all, we still in January. We still in January. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. But guess what? It's going to be a great 2025 because you, my friend, because we friends, we cousins. I like to say we cousins. Hey, cuz. What's up, cuz? What's up, cuz? Hey, cousin. Because as cousins, we're going to work together. We're going to band together. We're going to encourage each other. We're going to motivate each other. Even when you don't feel like doing it, guess what? All you have to do is be like, I'm just about to hit my cuz up. Let me hit up Nikki. I'm be like, what up? I need some juice. I need that encouragement. I need some motivation. I got you. Okay? So I'm going to wrap it up, but thank you for watching this video. I am No Limit Nikki, because I truly believe there's no limit to your success, and I will see you in the next video. Later, squad.